Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of motorsports, focusing on one of the most influential organizations in GT racing, SRO Motorsports Group. Whether you're a fan of endurance racing or just love high-performance cars battling it out on track, this is the company shaping the sport. Let's get into it. SRO Motorsports Group, founded by Stefan Rattel, is a leading motorsport organization specializing in GT racing. Over the years, it has grown into a global powerhouse, organizing some of the most prestigious GT championships around the world. Their portfolio includes series like the GTWorldChallenge in Europe, America, Asia, and Australia, as well as the legendary Total Energies 24 Hours of Spa, one of the most grueling endurance races in the world. The company's goal? To promote GT racing as an accessible, yet competitive motorsport, balancing professional and amateur drivers while keeping costs under control. SRO runs multiple GT racing series, but the GTWorldChallenge is its crown jewel. This championship is unique because it combines results from 4 region-parental series, Europe, America, Asia, and Australia, into an overall manufacturer competition, making it a truly global contest. Another major highlight is the Intercontinental GT Challenge, which brings together the toughest endurance races, including Bathurst 12-hour, Suzuka 10 hours, and Kyalami 9 hour. It's where top manufacturers like MercedesAMG, Ferrari, and Porsche go head-to-head in long-distance battles. SRO has also introduced the GT2 and GT4 categories, offering more variety for teams and drivers, from gentleman racers to up-and-coming professionals. What makes SRO stand out is its focus on innovation. They were pioneers in balance of performance, BOP, a system that ensures fair competition by adjusting car performance levels. This keeps racing close and exciting, preventing one brand from dominating the series. They are also pushing sustainability efforts, integrating hybrid and alternative fuel technologies into racing to reduce motorsports' carbon footprint. So, what's next for SRO Motorsports Group? Expect more international expansion, advanced tech integration, and possibly even an electric GT series in the future. With a strong history and a forward-thinking approach, SRO isn't just shaping the present of GT racing, it's defining its future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into SRO Motorsports Group, hit that like button, subscribe for more motorsport content, and let me know in the comments which GT race is your favorite. See you in the next one.